Hello and welcome to Icons of the UAE Season 2. My name is Pavitra Menon and with me is the icon of this episode, Mr. Ankur Agarwal.
Thank you so much, Pavitra.
Pleasure's all mine. You're looking really fantastic today.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So Ankur, it took you 4 years to build an empire where everyone can build a livelihood.
Yeah, so basically we started 4 years back only. So as a real estate practice, precisely 3.5 years. So yes, so it took us only 3.5 years. You can say 4 years to be here.
So when you packed your bags from Delhi
Yeah.
and you thought, okay, मैं दुबई जा रहा हूँ, अब वहाँ पे जाके देख लेंगे, I'm going to come here, do some job. What was on your mind? Did you ever think of real estate?
So basically my original background is I'm a chartered accountant. So real estate was never my forte and I never thought of doing job even in my entire life. So when I came to Dubai, it was always in my mind to do some kind of a consultancy and advisory practice. So my original forte is financial background only.
जी.
So real estate was never into my mind. I don't know like what is real estate. I lived in a rented house in Delhi for 10 years. So I didn't even bought a house there. So I don't know what is real estate. So yeah, so real estate was never in my mind. So when I came here, it was a pandemic time and we almost spent 1 year doing nothing actually. And yeah, post-pandemic, somehow I started this real estate journey with the help of someone. And yeah, it all happened in 3.5 years.
Was this all your idea or was there somebody else behind this?
I think it was God's idea. Not even mine, not even someone else.
Destiny?
It is destiny, pure destiny. It came into like this and then I went into a journey and then I started doing the things. So the only part which I always follow in my life is I always put my 100% in whatever I'm doing. So that exactly I did in this part also. And then rest is the history.
Right. And you were kind of mentioning there was somebody else who kind of pushed you into it or helped you in this. Who was that?
So basically, there were a couple of peoples, and they are from originally they are from India itself, and they were doing some kind of a real estate practice. So they offered me to join hands to do the similar practice which they were doing, and I joined hands with them to understand what they were doing exactly. So my original idea was to pay a learning cost.
What's that?
Learning cost. Basically, when you see, I'm a self swimmer. I'm a natural swimmer. So I did a partnership, and I paid a cost to understand this.
What is going on, right? To know the
Exactly. So yeah. So basically, you have to understand the scenario. Then
Correct.
rest is your wisdom and your thesis, which you have to rely on it.
Perfect. Yeah.
Yeah. So this was the thing.
Also, आप chances बहुत लेते हो ना life में. You love it. You like taking the bazi and seeing where it takes.
Basically, yes. This is my character, and I have a perception in my life. It might seem funny to you, but I have a perception in my life. I don't know for how many years I will be working. I don't know. God, nobody knows. Nobody knows. You even don't know that for how many years you will be doing these interviews.
Yeah. I mean, I wish for it to be a certain age, but
I wish to be the Bill Gates, but it never work like that. Okay.
Correct.
So basically, I don't know what will happen tomorrow. So jo hai, whatever you have, just do it today. So I love taking chances. I love taking risks because definitely you will pay for that risk. But always you have to work on a probability. If your probability is over 50%, that means you are a winner.
correct.
If you win, you will win for life. But if you will lose, you will stand again and you will try a new chance. So this is how it should be. So this is how I live my life. So I put everything every day. As simple as that.
Yeah. What are the other adventures that you have tried in life apart from this?
I don't see any adventure except I got married in 2013. So that was the best adventure.
Why was it like a roller coaster ride?
No, it's like a bullet train. So it's very smooth and I'm quite happy.
Did you bring her here?
Yes, she's with me. My wife, my mother, my son, everybody's here.
So first आप आए थे, उसके बाद वाइस कब आए थे? Did she come with you?
Yeah, so she came after 2 years.
Right.
Yeah, when I got everything in place.
Yeah.
Yeah, then I came.
So is she been quite supportive in your journey? Did she
Exactly.
say,
She's the one who
"Don't
gave
do
me
this,
this name. She's the one who gave me this name, Bricks and Woods. B&W.
Ah.
Yeah. My wife is a lyricist. She owns a music channel, B&W Entertainment. She is a producer also.
Right.
Yeah. Right now she's investing in the movies itself.
Right. We're missing her on the show today, but please tell me more about her and how did you fall in love with her? How did you meet her? कैसे हुआ?
It's a arranged marriage. So always believe in the family values, and whatever my mother chose for me. So
Was the best option.
yeah, it's the best option, and it should be always like that. So yes, yeah, we are very happy.
लेकिन adventure क्यों बोल रहे थे आप? What are the adventures that you guys have discovered?
Changed
explored
your
together?
life, simple. It changed your life
How?
completely.
What kind of a person were you before getting married?
I was kind of a more risk taker, you can say that. Who always loved more challenges and all like
That I
kind of
आपको देख के मैंने पता चल गया था. I told you also you're a person who challenges every situation.
So life. So after marriage, of course, you will be little settled. But yeah, my wife is very supporting, so she don't stop me of doing anything. So
Yeah.
yes, so I'm again the same personality. So it's a jokes apart. We are very happy.
But I'm sure there's one thing that she will tell you that, okay, don't do this. I'm okay with the rest of the chances you're taking.
She's only concerned about only one thing, and that is health. Yeah, so she is always keep on telling me about to take care of my health. That's it, because health is wealth, of course. So you can do whatever in your life, you can gain, you can lose, but if you lose your health, you will never cover it back. Simple. So she's always worried about my health only. That's it, and the rest, everything. She never stopped me doing anything, whatever I want to be.
Right.
And yeah, so
Do you follow a strict diet?
I don't follow a strict diet because, as I told you, I'm a Delhiite, okay? And Delhi people love sitting, right? So we are just like any other Delhi boy. I'm always,
Street food.
yeah, I love street food. I'm a foodie, but yes, for the last, I think, 1 year or maybe more, I am a bit.
मिस करते हो वो चाचा की दुकान से वो छोले
No, I
भटूरे?
never miss that because मैं चाचा को यहाँ बुला लेता हूँ. Simple ना. So, see, whatever you like, you can get it. So there are a couple of people who used to fly for me and get me that street food packed and get it here.
हाँ.
So yeah, so
A day in Ankur Agarwal's life, how does it look like?
the part of my life, the part of my day, always goes to the future planning. This is what this is what I love doing. So basically, if you will ask me, I will give you a very straightforward answer that I love thinking. Okay, if you will ask me that what is my hobby is to think, because if you will think, you will get the way. The problem with the most of the people is that they used to execute and think. And then they think and then they execute. So basically, they are doing both things at the same time.
Is it manifesting that you're talking about? जैसे कुछ हम सोचते हो, universe आपको मतलब दे देती है जो
Kind of yes.
कायनात है.
Kind of yes.
Really?
Yes.
आपका कोई wish board है? जब आप उठते हो you
So if I'll do the wish board, then I'm finished,
क्यों?
because I will be constrained to that wish board only.
Interesting.
Yeah, there is no wish board.
So sky is not the limit.
No, it's like a sea. Every day, you have to try new things. That's it. This is life.
But again, what I believe is that if I want to stay in a beautiful villa, I have that villa in front of me, और मैं वही रोज सुबह उठ के वही उसी को देख रही हूँ. Now once I achieve that, now I'll have bigger dreams, so I can change it. Why
This is my problem exactly. See, if you will keep me in a villa, even if it is the biggest villa in the UAE, I will not be happy,
Okay.
because my next target is to make an island. This is my problem,
Why is the problem? It's a good thing.
No, sometimes you have to be, satisfactory also. So to get the happiness, it means that you are not enjoying the things. It should be balanced. It should not be like that always. Yes, okay. If I achieve this, let's do this thing. If I achieve this thing, then no. You have to stop somewhere and do something. Enjoy it and then move forward. But the problem is with me as a personality, I'm not even giving me a single minute to enjoy that thing.
सही बात है.
I might be change a personality in your next interview. I don't know.
Is there a different avatar every time?
Of course, it's keep on changing.
आपके कितने अवतार हैं?
I don't know.
So you're basically very adaptive.
I'm flexible.
उस environment में जो हो रहा है उसके हिसाब से आपके एक अवतार आती है.
Exactly. I'm flexible. I'm adaptive. I want to try everything. Simple.
Are you water? Is that what you feel like?
Yes.
An element of
Yes.
earth.
Exactly.
Yeah, taking
Yeah.
shape of
Like a
whatever
cloud.
it is. Like a cloud.
Yes.
That's nice. But आपने कौन सी उम्र में स्टार्ट किया है this visionary way of thinking? मैं इससे ये करना चाहता हूँ, उसके बाद ये करना चाहता हूँ. ये जो thought है ना, ये जो आ गया, वो कब से था?
You use the right word, arg. Basically, there is a fire inside me, and I became a fireball in the age of 15.
15 साल.
15 साल, yes.
जब बोर्ड एग्जाम लिखने जाते थे.
I lost my father when I was very young, like 6 years.
Oh.
So I have seen that tough days. But those tough days paid me off actually. So I'm grateful to those days also. But the point is, I came to know at a very early age that this world can be driven through only money. Money, you need money and you need power. That's it. And you have to get it. There is no alternative of that. Spirituality, intellectual things, everything is great. Everything is great. You have to balance it out. But at some point of time, you have to be logical.
और respect?
It will automatically come. See, when you make money, you should not let people lose their money just because of you. You should not let people lose their respect just because of you. You have to give the respect, you will get respect. Simple. So making money, getting power does not mean that you are not getting enough respect. There are leaders in the world that who are the most powerful people in the world, and people respect us from their heart.
But what keeps you going? What is that fire? What is it telling you in your mind? जब आप सुबह उठते हो, एक लाइन तो होगी ना?
People.
लोग.
It's giving back to the society now. Now the one destination which I have achieved is what I want. Now what people wants from me, that I have to do. Simple. So it is for the people. I cannot take it from with me. Everything what I am getting is for the people. Simple. This is called people's economy. There's a very big difference between the financial economy and the people's economy.
You know, it all comes back to what you told me in the beginning. I am a person with a lot of values. I have those values like family and all of that you told me. I think it all comes back to that.
Of course, yes.
I think there's so many things, so many aspects of you where I can open many, many doors. I can see that anchor side of you. आप बोल रहे थे ना, एक अवतार में आते हो. Now let's see your luxury वाला avatar. BMW that you built, an empire. Of course, everybody remembers right now. Everybody has BMW on their lips.
Thanks to God.
I mean, I'm sure it's your hard work, the thing that keeps you going. But luxury आप build करते हो.
Yes.
And when you build luxury buildings, luxury apartments, you must have taken a standpoint कि मुझे ऐसे ही बनाने हैं. I want to make it A1. The luxury needs to look like it belongs here in Dubai.
So the answer is very simple, Pavitra. Someday, if I have to live in that apartment, I should feel that luxury. So it's not for the people who are buying for us, it's for us. Simple. So what is the definition for you for the luxury? This is what we follow. Simple. So we are creating things in which we can live.
Nice.
So this is luxury for us. Livable, durable. Luxury does not mean to be like
Extravagant.
extra. Yeah, it should be for the life. You should love living there. Simple. It should not give you the headaches. It's luxury for me. Because for example, if you want to do the maintenance every 3 years or 4 years, for me, it's not luxury. It's a burden.
Correct.
This is our core ethical values which we are following, and people will see it. I don't want to tell it by myself. Okay, I want people to
See it.
see it, and discuss about it. That will take time. Whatever I will say here, like I will do this thing and that thing, that has no value for me. For me, we will see it after a certain point of time. The only thing which I can tell you here is that we follow that principles, and people will see our confidence. So this is luxury for me. Simple.
Overthinker ho.
Kind of, yes.
Has overthinking got you into trouble? Ki maybe this person.
Yes, yes.
Like?
No, I used to see things very big. Always, like I'm overthinker. I don't know what will happen next, and yeah, I see the worst, and then I prepare for the worst. So this is the personality of overthinkers.
Yeah.
They always see the worst.
That's a personality of a Sagittarius person. And you're a Sagittarius.
Yeah, maybe you can say that like that.
Of course you are.
Yeah.
And I mean, काफी fun loving होते हैं. And you know the best thing about Sagittarian, correct me if I'm wrong, they're very impulsive. चलो ये करते हैं. अगर मैंने एक plan बनाया as a friend,
Oh.
you do it,
हाँ,
right?
I'll do it.
मजा आता है.
मजा आता है.
I don't think I can ever gauge what your future is going to be क्योंकि आपको खुद नहीं पता है कि आप कहाँ पहुँचना चाहते हो because
Now you got me right.
limitless.
Yes.
That's it. Give me a high five. With that, I also want to ask you, what's the future of BMW?
So BMW, as of now, as I told you, like it's a development company, and right now we are focusing on the projects
Right.
which should be delivered in next 3 years. Like it's around 17 billion dirhams worth of projects to be delivered in next 3 years. This is what BMW is focusing on. Overall valuation of about $1 billion as of now, but the way it's going, so I think that we should multiply it and keep on going, keep on rolling like this. We can be the biggest private developer in this country at least in next 5 years, and it's doable. So as simple as that. Again, no offenses to anyone. I just want to be the biggest private developer in this country in next 5 years. I want to achieve something which could have been achieved in 25 years.
ये manifest कर रहे हो आप कैमरा को देख के?
No, ये मैं जानता हूँ.
These are facts.
This is fact, yes.
What's the future of real estate in Dubai? What are you doing?
Oh, it will be crazy. It will be crazy. I should tell people that whomsoever are thinking of even investing here, just do it, because then you will miss the train. You will never catch it. The price of the UAE market real estate will be as good as the London and the Monaco and the Paris.
Which is happening now.
Yeah,
Someone's there.
Yeah, it's getting multiplied it's getting double every 3 years.
That's true.
Yeah, so the growth is fantastic. The administration is the best in the world. The governance is the best in the world. The rulers of this country, I must say that they are the most visionary people on this earth. So they what they have done, nobody can do that.
Right. And you're also a very filmy person, na?
Just because of
surrounded by-
just because of Vivek, every day and
He means Vivek Oberoi, who's such a charmer. We all love him.
yes. So Vivek is Vivek. So
Is he a driving force in your
of
company?
course, yes.
Or he's a face of the company? आपको कैसे place किया?
No. It's not the face of the company. He is the working partner in BMW, and actually he's working more than me.
He thinks more about the brand, I think.
Yes, of course. He understands the brand's value very well, and as I told you, I'm working 5 hours a day. Instead, Vivek is working 15 hours a day. Yeah.
Tell everybody that this is your best interview
No, I'm actually loving this. This is my best interview ever.
so far.
Yeah.
Inshallah.
Because actually you are getting the anchor inside the anchor.
The arg inside that anchor,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Who you really are.
Yes.
चलो और जानते हैं आपके बारे में. I've got a rapid fire. I can't let you go without this.
Yeah, sure.
So, if not real estate, Ankur, what would have been your dream job growing up in Delhi?
Artist, Bollywood.
मतलब
Drama.
actor,
Actor, drama.
ड्रामा करना है. लाइफ में ड्रामा करते हो? ऐसी ड्रामा
at times, yes.
है ना
Yeah.
बीवी के साथ.
No, I don't need to do that because वो थोड़ा भारी पड़ती है मेरे पे. But yes, I love drama.
कैसे कोप अप कर लेते हैं आपके साथ, वो भी मुझे पूछना था.
No, because she's better than
You're
me.
like a live wire, you're like,
She's better than me. Simple.
वो काम है.
हाँ.
That's why. Coffee or chai to fuel those early morning meetings?
Chai.
Night rider or early morning?
Of course, night rider.
What's your go-to Delhi street food you miss the most?
Chola bhatura.
The chacha wala.
Yeah.
Ah,
Kamla Nagar.
Kamla Nagar. I love it. The best advice you've ever received as a young entrepreneur?
The best advice I have ever received is to think, sit back, relax, and think what you have done, and then restart. Because
Describe
this is called consolidation. So
चीज़ों को एक साथ curate कर.
हाँ, curate करना, देखना. You like doing your balance sheet.
Correct.
Simple.
Do you weigh those things?
Yes.
मेरा profit कहाँ पे आ रहा है? मेरा
Every day, every day. My original personality is I'm a chartered accountant. Real estate, people actually forget that. Who actually I am.
One word में बोला जाए तो आपको लोग कैसे remember करें?
मुश्किल है बताना. But अगर आप actually में जानना चाहते हो तो एक word मेरे mind में आता है human.
If you had 30 seconds to pitch B&W to me, what would it be? 30 seconds, yeah?
B&W is a company which is based on kind of ethical values, principles, and something you call it professional. So basically, we are not selling you the houses. We are selling you the values, which you will feel for more than 99 years. Because the life of a house is 99 years, but the value of B&W is infinity.
Wow. I'm going to put you on a tough spot again. In a world of Shah Rukh Khan and Vivek Oberoi, who would you want to be?
Shah Rukh Khan. Honest. I told you I'm honest. So,
Why?
because I'm a die-hard Shah Rukh Khan fan. Vivek is my partner.
Fan की बात नहीं है. There is a thing about him.
Because Shah Rukh Khan has a personality. If you will see inside Shah Rukh Khan, what he has achieved in his life, kind of character he is.
I'll tell you a common factor between both of you.
Okay.
Both of you want to attract people to come meet me.
Exactly. Yes.
So that's why you want to be Shah Rukh Khan.
Yes, I want to be like him.
I hope someday that happens. And of course, not just Shah Rukh Khan. There is no limit to
At least try to be part of it. That's it.
It was such a wonderful experience meeting you. Thank you so much, Mr. Ankur Agarwal.
Thank you so much.
So with that, we come to an end of this episode of Icons of the UAE Season 2. I hope you guys had fun watching this because I had immense amount of fun. Thank you so much. We'll be back with another icon.
Could we have on stage, and big congratulations, Mr. Ankur Agarwal, founder and chairperson of BMW.
So iconic, yes, we iconic, so iconic. We the legends, we the leaders and guides, yes. Pushing progress till end of time, cause we so iconic, yes, we so iconic. We iconic, so iconic. We the legends, we the leaders and guides, yes. Pushing progress till end of time, cause we so iconic, yes, we so iconic, yes. We iconic, so iconic. We the legends, we the leaders and guides, yes. Pushing progress till end of time, cause we so iconic, yes. We
Let me tell you, Ankur is the only icon we had on stage here for the second season as well, because I hear his business has grown exponentially in the last 1 year. So, welcome on stage. If I could also have on stage, inviting here Vivek Oberoi, successful Bollywood actor, co-founder, managing director, BMW Development. Welcome on stage, please.
So while Vivek is walking up to the stage, you can probably talk about your journey. 70,000 रुपए से लेकर यहाँ बना दिया, कुछ जल्दी वाले मंत्र बताइए कुछ.
There is no such mantra like that, but 70,000 was like 70 minutes for me. So 70 मिनट थे सिर्फ मेरे पास और 70,000 रुपए थे मेरे पास. और जो भी है अभी यही है. I don't know what gonna happen next, but I believe in destiny and I think that this is destiny which took me here. So all thanks to the Almighty and my mom.
Vivek, who found whom? How did this happen?
ये जो छोटा भाई है ना मेरा, इसने हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में 400 हीरे चुने हैं। तो इसको हीरे चुनना, उनको पॉलिश करना, उनके साथ में मिल के चमकना, ये इनकी खासियत है। तो कहीं ना कहीं आई फील दैट ही फाउंड मी, ही मेट मी, ही केप्ट परस्यूइंग मी। बड़े भाई, जुड़ना है, साथ में करना है। And today, I think that's the best decision I ever made in my life, because not only did we create a very successful company by the grace of Almighty, but beyond a partner, I found a younger brother who's a total rock star. And like you saw in the video, his quality is that even me, I don't remember all the names of all the people in the organization. But you ask him, anybody, he not only remembers their name, he remembers where they come from, he remembers where their roots are, he remembers what their problems are. And I think in life you can either make money or create wealth. What gives us a kick is to create wealth, because wealth is what you create with your people, with a team, with an organization. Money, you only participate yourself. आप अपने लिए कमाते हैं, और जब आप wealth create करते हैं तो आप कई लोगों के लिए कमाते हैं। वही हमारा एक BMW में ethos रहा है, सपना रहा है, and उन सपनों को मेरा भाई पूरा कर रहा है।
वैसे ये बताऊं कि जोड़ी गजब की है। एक एंटरप्रेन्योर है जो हीरो की तरह रहते हैं, और एक हीरो है जो एंटरप्रेन्योर बनने के लिए आया है उनके साथ। तो ये मतलब कौन किसको टिप्स देते रहता है?
I think he's planning to launch me the movies, and he will be taking care of my office.
I do want to ask Vivek though. Vivek, what's your take on this unabashed, obsessive obsession that Ankur has for Shah Rukh Khan?
Well, tomorrow when I meet Shah Rukh bhai, I'll tell him that there is a Shah Rukh Khan in Dubai also, and hopefully I'll get Ankur to meet him and we'll take a picture and put it out there.
Are you going to do that, Ankur?
Of course, I will. I'm so excited as well.
तो इसमें भी अवार्ड के साथ एक बार हो जाए। ठीक है, full नहीं अवार्ड के साथ तो ही मजा।
The icon, yes, we the icon, yes. Icons, yes, we the icons. Icons, yes, we the icons.
Right. Wow.
A big congratulations, and to you also, Vivek, because you're
Thank you so much.
putting your money here. I hope and think you're trusting the right guy.
No, I mean, the best thing about Ankur, I feel, is that he doesn't take the problems seriously. He doesn't take the success seriously. He's an actual karma yogi जो सिर्फ काम करते रहता है, and I love that about him.
Congratulations to both of you.
I just want to say to the people who actually, if they treat me like an icon, मैं एक ही बात बोलना चाहता हूँ उनको कि ना तो दौलत का पीछा करो, ना शोहरत का पीछा करो। सिर्फ कामयाब होने की तरफ बढ़ो, बाकी सब कुछ आपको खुद ब खुद मिल जाएगा। Thank you so much.
Big congratulations and all the very best, Ankur and Vivek. Thank you very much for joining us here on stage.
So iconic, yes, we so iconic, yes, we iconic, so iconic. We the legends, we the leaders and guides, yes, pushing progress to let. We iconic, so iconic. Icons, yes, we the icons.